Hi, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. And by the way, this is Papa Coco para sa ating Papa Coco's Math Tutorial Session. At ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is paano ba hanapin ang integral ng inverse tangent x raised to the fourth over 1 plus x squared dx. So, para unahin ng solution nito, kailangan natin mag-use substitute. So, ile-let yun natin dito ay ang ating inverse tangent x. And then, ile-let natin yung du o derivative ng yun yan. Alam natin na ang derivative ng inverse tangent x is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. So para makuha natin yung du niyan, i-divide natin both sides by 1 over 1 plus x squared. So makakancel ito. Ito, this will become du over 1 plus x squared. So in this case, ang mangyayari po niyan is marireciprocal po ito. So therefore po, ang value ng ating dx is equal to 1 plus x squared du. So ngayon po, pwede na natin po i-plug in ito pong dx natin doon para ma-use substitute. So ang mangyayari po niyan, is yung ating pong inverse tangent x ay magiging u because use substitution. So yan po yung magiging u raised to the fourth over 1 plus x squared. And then yung ating pong dx is equivalent po yan ng times 1 plus x squared. So ito po, makakancel po yan. Ang matitira na lang po sa atin ngayon is u raised to the fourth du. So applying general power rule, so mangyayari niyan is magkakaroon po tayo ng add po sa exponent. So ang magiging integral po niyan is magiging po siyang u raised to the fourth plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c. And then ang integral po niyan is magiging siyang u raised to the fifth over 5 plus c. So pag natin kakalimutan na yung value ng u natin is inverse tangent x, so isa-substitute natin siya ulit. So therefore, ang ating po final answer would be inverse tangent x raised to the fifth over 5 plus c. So ito na po yung ating pong integral. And I hope it helps. Ciao!